Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name is still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah. So I welcome all my new subscribers to, let's say, your new episode on my channel. So please, if today is your first time watching me, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share to your friends. Yeah. So no time to waste. On today's episode, I want to show you the type of videos that can generate you or that can make you $100 monthly. Yeah, I want to show you the type of videos that can generate you $100 monthly. Yeah. I know a lot of people have been posting a lot of videos on YouTube, and when their monthly estimated revenue pop up, they'll be getting $6, $5, $10. So today I want to show you how you can get $100 on YouTube in a month. Yeah, so I want to show you the type of videos that you have to venture into it, so that you can, let's say if you don't have any knowledge about it, you can learn it on YouTube and start something with it. Yeah, I'm not saying that if I don't mention a type of video, I'm not saying that maybe that video is not good or nah. I'm just telling you or teaching you the type of videos that work for me, that help me in a lot of money on YouTube, and I know it will work for you too. So no time to waste. Let's start from the top to the down. So number one on my list is DIY type videos. How people will be saying, what is DIY? DIY is do it yourself. Do it yourself. Yeah, do it yourself type videos recently have generated a lot of views on YouTube. People who teach you what to do. Let's say you are into food, they'll be teaching you like how you can do food for yourself, how you can decorate your room yourself. Yeah, those type of videos. Yeah, I know it's not your lane, and I know you don't have any knowledge about it, but today you can start learning something. I know some things you can do it for yourself, and you can also show people that if you do this for yourself, it can reduce some cost. Yeah, so DIY type videos is good niche for you to venture into it and make good use of it. Yeah, so number two on my list is technology type videos, tech type videos. Yeah, my YouTube channel is for tech. Yeah, it's for technology type videos. Yeah, and you know something, personal experience. Me, if I post a video getting, let's say, 100 views, I'll be getting, let's say, $4 or $5. But maybe if you're not into tech niche, you're posting some video getting 100 views, you'll be getting, let's say, 0.01 cents. You see that thing? Yeah, that's why I recommend you to venture into tech videos. Yeah, tech videos is not all that tedious or all that hard. You see that thing? You have to learn one or two things. Yeah, and this type of videos, you have to be someone who loves tech. So if you don't love tech, here is not your place. Yeah, you have to be someone who loves tech and things. So doing tech videos can also help you generate a lot of revenue, and when a month reach, you can get $100. So number three on my list is science type videos. Yeah, technology goes with science, and when we say science type videos, those who do videos about science about science methods and things. So I know I have 4 friends who do science type videos, and they are making a lot on YouTube. So I recommend that if you know something about science, try to do videos about science. Down to it's going on well. And number 4 on my list is financial type videos. Financial type video is the number 1 niche that generates a lot of income or lots of revenue on YouTube. People who do videos about how to make money online, how to make money, what to do to make money and things, and giving you business ideas, how to start your business and things. That niche generates a lot of money. So if you know something about finance and you can do video about it, you have to start it now and put much effort in it, and it's generate more revenue for you, because my channel is for tech and financial, and it's working for me, and I know it will work for you. So start put something into use. If you don't have any knowledge about it, start following my tutorials. You will learn something from it, how to make money online, what to do to make money online. You can make a lot of it. And if you want to start and you don't have any knowledge about it, you can chat me. I will leave my WhatsApp link in my description. You chat me, then we talk about it, and I will give you some easy tips for you to start on YouTube, as a financial tutorial or as a financial tutor. So the last one on my list is problem solving type videos. So problem solving type videos for the past 2 years has also generates a lot of views, revenue on YouTube. So let's say right now there are lots of problems in the system right now. So you can start doing video how to reduce weight. A lot of people are at home that want to reduce weight, but they don't know how to start. So you can start something with it, and also recommend some books for them to read and things. So problem solving videos is generating a lot of revenue and views on YouTube. So let's say you can start doing some video how to respect your husband, how to respect your wife, what to do when your husband is angry, what to do when your wife is angry. People are ready to watch this type of videos. And when you go to YouTube and search problem solving type videos, you see that there are lots of problem solving type videos, and you can learn from it and start something from it. I know YouTube is not for one person. So what you're doing, someone have already done it. So we learn from ourselves, then we'll add some little skills that we have to it, and we'll make it our own. So I know there's 5 type videos that I've mentioned, or that I've objected to you, or that I have discussed about it will help you. And if you don't have any knowledge about it and you want us to start everything fresh, I can help you. I can help you so that we can start everything fresh. We can start from somewhere and we will reach somewhere. So you can chat me. I will leave my WhatsApp number on the description. If you don't understand anything too, you can leave your comments on my comment section, and I'll get back to you. Then we'll talk about it. So thank you for watching my YouTube videos. The next to remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, the co-founder of Frondo Technology Company. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want videos like this every day. I'm out.